What's up, my dudes? Welcome back to Cooking with Coupel. Today we're going to be reviewing and attempting another keto recipe that I found online that seems kind of sus to determine whether it's smacking or lacking. So again, let's go and hop on the computer and check out this recipe. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at this. I'm going to be reviewing another recipe from the Queen of Keto, Low Carb Love. I'll throw a card up for her channel right here. I recently came across a video she put out about a pancake recipe that only called for 2 ingredients, eggs and cream cheese. Now, I was actually surprised at how good the 2-ingredient brownie recipe came out, so let's see what these are all about.
My goodness, can you believe that this pancake stack was made with just 2 ingredients?
No, I can't.
Eggs and cream cheese, that's it. So because eggs, you already know, are a staple, we have a little cream cheese and sweetener, okay?
And wow, all right, well, we're only 27 seconds in and there's already a surprise additional ingredient. That's fine.
So let's just go ahead and start off by cracking all of our eggs
into a blender.
Mini blender. All my ingredients are room temperature. I feel like
I'll either use a hand mixer or my food processor.
And you don't end up with like
don't really have a blender like that.
Little lumps in your batter. Now we have our cream cheese that is room temperature.
Cream cheese.
Okay, and this is just
4 ounces
of cream cheese. So we have our 4 eggs, 4 ounces of cream cheese, and now our sweetener.
Yeah, see, overall seems pretty simple.
But
it is kind of thin.
Just wait. This is like trusting the process.
Yeah, these are definitely pretty thin pancakes.
So we have a medium-low heat, and here you would use just butter or...
I'll definitely be using some butter on that.
I'm using a little spray, which is ghee and coconut oil.
Open man. Yeah. Wow, actually, that brownie looks pretty decent. I'm kind of surprised. They're still super thin though, but I mean, that doesn't look too bad at all.
Into the syrup, it's happening.
All right, here we go. It's happening.
Oh.
Okay, that's enough. It sounds to me that this is really just an attempt to make something as close to pancakes in the shortest amount of time possible. So, all right, let's go and hop back in the kitchen and we'll go ahead and give this a try for ourselves. All right, this should take us no time at all. Go ahead and crack 4 eggs. Whoops, you didn't see that. 4 ounces of softened cream cheese and a tablespoon of sweetener to a bowl. Mix with a hand mixer, blender, whatever you got. Heat up a pan, cast iron skillet, whatever you got, with some oil or some butter. In this case, I'm definitely going to be using some butter. Go ahead and add some batter depending on what size pancakes you're looking for. As the saying usually goes, the first couple pancakes are usually the rejects.
Why would you say that?
So I had to lower my heat a little bit, use a little bit less butter, and continue. So once you've dialed in your settings, go ahead and pour in the batter. Cook on each side for about a minute. Flip, which by the way, in a non-stick pan, these roll around and flip actually very easily. Cook that on the other side for another minute and repeat with the rest. Stack them up, drizzle on some syrup, and dive in. Okay, there you have it. 2-ingredient, low-carb, keto pancakes. They look interesting. They're about as flat as I expected them to be. Just like with hers though, they did actually brown up kind of nicely. Like they look decent. Like from afar. From afar, they look pretty good, but let's go ahead and give this a try. Okay, carved out a bite just like the same way she did. Not bad, yeah, they're thin. All right, first bite. It's missing the texture of pancakes. You know, the texture is very eggy. The cream cheese lends a good amount of this like saltiness to it, almost kind of like a pancake batter would be. It's not that far off. If you're desperate, like if you're really desperate, these could pass as pancakes. But in my opinion, there's better out there. These just barely pass as pancakes. But they almost kind of like, it's like they're their own thing. Can I sit here and call this a pancake though? No. Is it good? Yes. Smacking or lacking, as far as low carb or keto pancakes go, this is lacking. But it's not bad. Give it a try. You might actually be in love with these. Let me give it one more right here. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna stick with my answer. Very good, but lacking. These are definitely not pancakes. However though, give this recipe a try for yourself, and obviously go check out Low Carb Love. She nails it with all these creative low carb recipes. So yeah, highly recommend go and check her out. All right, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like the video. I'll be here next Saturday, so I'll see you then.